out at the world, what do you see? A planet on the brink of collapse. Human beings are disposable. But man and symbiote combined. This is a new race, a new species. A higher life form. What do you want from me?
You'll find out.
I am so sorry.
We cannot just hurt people.
Look into my eyes, the way I see it. We can do whatever we want. Do we have a deal?
You have no idea how much you're scaring me right now.
StangMode, I'm calling you out.
Guys, you do not want to do this, trust me.
What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well and in great spirits. Yes, had a little bit of fun because I am super amped for the Venom movie coming out because we know the Venom kills demon thing is going on. I want to show you this guy. Oh, this is what we have here. We just made these. You can get these on the site. This is the new Venom Kills Demon shirts. These are made and available, and the link in the description, and I'll put it up on Teespring. Everything from the sales of this would go to putting more Venom into this black mamba. I actually designed it myself, so I'm like very, very proud of that. I had an opportunity last night to go see my boy, Incredible Hemi, who just got a torque converter in like not the best DA, run a 12.6. In his Ram truck, 1500. So shout out to him. Go subscribe to him. Because I didn't race the black mamba, I was enjoying myself, and I get this guy comes to me and says, "I'm the guy that everyone's talking about," and I'm thinking to myself, "I'm sorry, I don't know who you are, sir." And apparently, this gentleman has the fastest Camaro in the country. All right, so I am here with the infamous Snowblind.
Yes, sir.
And he caught me being incognito. I was hanging out watching. He's like, "I'm the Camaro guy everybody wants you to race." And I said, I didn't know. I was like, "What do you mean?" What we did realize was he has that beast right there. And what do you usually run, sir?
I've run 10.8s is the best.
10.8s. So we're gonna come back. The Black Mamba is nowhere near a 10-second car right now, but they look good together. We're gonna have these two cars together. We come to ATCO frequently. We'll do some races together.
Maybe you'll be 10.8s in the fall.
Maybe.
Or quicker.
Or quicker. We don't know.
We'll all find out.
We'll all find out. We'll settle some arguments in the Camaro 6 forum. And all the love and fans I have in the Camaro 6 forum. Runs 10.8s. You might know him as Snowblind on Camaro 6 forum. SS, 2SS. With a 8-speed, and it's very nice. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, doesn't have a following or anything like that, but he is known on the forums and whatnot. And he was saying that a lot of the Camaro guys want him to race my car. That's fine. This car runs a best of 11.3. Of course, we're not a 10-second car yet, but we're getting there. But yeah, he's a cool guy, older gentleman, and he said he doesn't do much talking, lets his times do it. He runs his 60-foot was a 1.4, so, and that was in June. So he's got a fast car, and he was even at the Camaro Fest, so he knows how to drive. Next, what I wanted to do was talk about the amazing, I've never got a chance to, I want to thank you so much to Jeff Ashton.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Haven't done this yet. This is the tuner box. This is from Tuner Guys. They had a StangMode box that came out for last month. If you want a subscription to Tuner Guys and their boxes, you can enter in the code StangMode. You'll get an awesome discount, and you'll get some cool merch. So what we got here is this cool Tuner Guys box. This is not the Black Mamba, but it's a cool Mustang. I think it's one of the cars they featured before. I got to talk to Jeff about putting a Black Mamba on a box one of these days, but this is pretty cool. Checking out the box here. Very cool. This is the July box. You got the tuner guys, cool. This is the black Mamba silhouette, and then you have this awesome stuff here. We have, thanks for being part of the team, collaboration with StangMode. He's an awesome member of our community with a rapidly growing YouTube channel. Be sure to follow him on social media. Thank you so much. This is awesome. This is a great time. So this is just some cool stuff you get. Then what else you get? You get these cool t-shirts here. We have the StangMode t-shirts, and also what's also cool about it, you have this print. These are very high quality too. This is pretty cool to see. You have the StangMode right here on the back. So, and of course our catchphrase, it never ends. So just really cool artwork, cool art design to their art person. Look at this detail. And then of course we have the black Mamba here, spit and curse. This is pretty cool. So StangMode decal, which is really sweet. We get this really cool Jack's wax. I like that he has it in red. Get these really cool pins, which I'll put on my suit jacket. Look at that. Oh, if you want a box, you can order one and put the discount code StangMode in, and they'll hook you up. But thank you so much. This is so cool, so exciting to see that, and awesome and humbling. And also, if you want to support directly the Whipple Fund, we still have these available in the description below. This is our Venom Kills Demons, and I'll be rocking this gear at the sub meet. And the Mustang community is really awesome because, and I say this with all love, a gentleman, Franklin Yeti, he's in on Instagram, I'll put his link in the description. He just got a Whipple on his 2018 Mustang, and he went from 430 on the dyno to 730 real wheel horsepower. And he has offered me, and I've accepted, he's flying me out to Nashville, Tennessee, the weekend of August 11th and 12th to not only hang out, review his Whipple, drive it. We're gonna go possibly to the drag strip. Then I'm gonna meet up with Xander 13 Automotive. Awesome guy, awesome content. Been looking forward to meeting with him. We're gonna also hang out and do stuff at Mustang Week. So we're gonna have some fun that weekend. If you're in the area, I'll let you know where I'll be. We may hit up a Cars and Coffee on that Sunday morning, the 12th. But I'm just so thankful to the community because not only do I have a chance to actually drive a Whipple, I can kind of review it for you guys and give you my impressions. Because of course we're trying to do the naturally aspirated build and get as good as we can. But eventually we're gonna have to go to the power adder route, which we will. But I'm just so thankful to the community for giving me these opportunities. Thank you. Awesome. And I can't wait. I'll bring you on the coverage of the flight and the vlogs and all that kind of good stuff. And I get a chance to see what a Whipple is like. How often do you get to like test drive a Whipple before you're gonna put one on? You kind of just watch the videos, or you know, and I'm gonna try to do that for you guys. So if you're in the 18 Mustang market, which is happening now, you get them for crazy deals. Again, and I have to plug this, you guys, we're having a subscribers meet. We're having a subscribers meet August 25th. I'm putting the flyer up right now. August 25th, we're having a meet at Gateway Classic Cars of Philadelphia, which is actually located in West Deptford, New Jersey, 9 to 5 p.m. It is going to be a car show, a Cars and Coffee. We're gonna have food trucks. We're gonna have awards. We're gonna have other YouTubers there. Mod of Fame, Rated R Cars, Tunnel Chaser, that Orange GT. There's gonna be, you know, RT Life. There's so many incredible Hemi. There's so many friends of mine coming. So many different cars coming, and other YouTubers that couldn't come. They're either busy or they're gonna be at the next one. So if you didn't see them this time, we're gonna try to make this a big show. Thank you to Gateway Classic Cars. You might even want to buy a car there because those cars are for sale. So rain or shine, it's gonna be a great time. They have an indoor venue and of course an outdoor one. Again, I'll be at Mustang Week, so a lot of cool stuff's happening, guys. We're gonna be at head to Nashville to test drive the Whipple. We're gonna have the sub meet August 25th. We're gonna be at Mustang Week. We're waiting on our headers to come in. I'm gonna get my drag pack. September's right around the corner. This also comes in a hoodie, friends. It's gonna be September, October, cool weather coming up. I really wanna get more parts, and I want this car, this build to go and be awesome. And that'll definitely be achieved with your help. If you wanna support the channel and grab some merchandise, it'd be awesome and appreciated. Anyways, that's the updates. We're gonna have some fun coming up. I hope you enjoyed the Venom parody. I'll end it again. And as you know, it never ends.